Afternoon. Let me just turn this radio down before we get done. There you go. Today's video is from this property that we're doing. We've sorted a bit of damp parting corner, 2 different methods. So we've got, we've hacked that bit off. It was plaster was blown. We've had a damp proofing system on it. It's complicated what's happening with. There were a bit of condensation forming on a cold spot, so put some waterproof dry flex on. It'll warm that corner up. Got some issues with decking outside being up to things, so we're going to storm dry around here before we go. So basically just some bitting and batting, so a bit of that to take that off. Another use for dry flex. So when dry flex sets, it is waterproof, but it sets like sort of like bell metal. So what we've done up here, we've plaster a bit loose on the door. It's been opening and shutting with lintel is. So rather than hacking a great big piece off, we've overlaid it with dry flex, which allowed it in place. And then when we do a skimming, this is what we're going to do a skimming with. There's going to be big sheets of mesh that's going to go on it. So today's work we're just prepping. So we've got a tiled floor, so we're going to put all stroll and roll down our floor protector, and then I've been and had some boards cut. We put sheets down and then put them on top, sheeting up all over, sheeting up in there, and then we're going to skim it. So a bit old school stuff, bread and butter. We're going to skim it. So it just mix me some stuff up, James. I'm going to put these beads on before we go. We've cleaned up, stacked all our stuff over here, and then tomorrow we'll come in and get some skimming done. I've been told them about ventilation. There's no vents in here, and some of the paint were peeling, so we had to scrape it all down, and that's going to have big bits of mesh put on. Little bits of damp proofing down here. We've had cold spots, so we put waterproof dry flex on. Near door, cold spot. So we'll just warm it up, put that bit on, warm it up. It's waterproof, so it's not going to be coming in from back. So if they do get any issues with paint peel, then we have told them about ventilation, so they can address it then. They decided not to go down the route of having a pacifier vent put in, which we said. They might do have an extractor fan put in, but you can only advise. You can't sort of force people to have it done, and you know, people's budgets sometimes say that they can't have it done at this time. But what I need to do is make sure that when we've done our work, so because I've put waterproof membranes on there, I know that water's not going to be coming in from back, which it weren't before. It was surface based, so we can show them and say like, look, we told you it was a condensation problem. You need to get some more ventilation in ASAP, and I think they will do. It's just waiting for a budget, so we're going to skim it, and we'll be recommending Shortherm condensation, anti-condensation paint to be painted on. Because I don't know what they've got on in here, but it hasn't worked. It's some kind of, I think they've put like it's had a matte on, and then a silk, and then a matte, and then a silk, and a mishmash of everything. So yeah, that's today's job, and hope you had a good weekend. I'm going to stick these beads on. I might let you watch actually. I'll put this here, let you watch my duck beaded. That's a bit of glare here. Oh, I can't get this on. I think if I put it... That's it. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. As fast as that, but just a little bit. Should show them we're doing what they call it. Put it deep on. That's like that. That's so I always stick my beads on. 3 dots on across the top, probably go 4 on here. There's not much sill, once I've got these on, there's not going to be much sill left. There. This is like a little slap. You just catch it on the edge. Same down here. Little slap. They've already been cut all beads. It's a question of just putting it on and eyeing it in. It should be more or less. So I'm poking that at a 45-degree angle. And just pulling that back onto it. Again at an angle. And making sure them two flush. Pull that one. And then we have a look at it, in with this joint down here. You can see it's out at the top of it. What man?
That's great, then.
It's 2-6. Just top corner. I always like to have it on the top corner when I'm skimming. Not as much to fill out. That's alright. But just again. There you go. And that's point beads on. And just clearing off, and then I'm off for a coaster. Just a bit there now. Right, so have a good rest of your day. I hope you enjoyed watching somebody put some beads on.
subscribe if you want to watch a few more videos, and any questions, just send them to me. See you later.